Hello friends, welcome back to e-commerce project in Laravel 10. Last video we will continue notification, means the notification admin said show and read unread we did in last video. So in this video we can cover in a front side. So we can create a new menu notification and here we can show all the notification and after we can redirect whatever notification available. I think 100% is available for the order notification. So we need to do in this video. So before we can start in this video, you are new in the channel during this series, so please subscribe and please press the bell icon. So whatever content we are uploading, so always get the notification and you can start immediately new thing learning. And also, do you want to buy any script? Just go to our official website errorsolutioncode.com and you can buy it here script. You can see it here. Whatever script do you want to buy, just buy. Okay. So let's start now. So here we need to create a new menu notification and after we can show. So resources, inside you can go to users. Here there are users. Inside you can see it like sidebar.blade.php and before edit profile you can add like after, not before, and here you can change to notifications notifications and I can change also segments, so we need to highlight. Okay, let's zoom out so you can see it proper way. Notification, so menu created successfully. Now let's go back again, refresh the page here, so you can see it like menu showing, cannot showing. So here you can see menu showing. Now we need to create routes for this notification. So simply you can go to routes inside web.php and here you can see it like users one. You can add any place. Let's add a like user controller also possible, so we have no issue. Okay, and here you can change to get and after you can make like users notifications and here I can make also notifications. Now you can just go to change password, use go to definition, so we can go very quick and just scroll down. Otherwise you can put here like a functions notifications request $request, because we need to read unread also need. Suppose need, not need, I don't know, but we can declare request and $request. Just copy paste bottom code and here you can change to notifications, so title can works. Okay, now user folder inside we need to create a new file notification, simple resources. Inside you can create a users, inside you need to create a new files, resources views notification.blade.php. This is very simple. Suppose you are follow the series for the notification part, so you can understand very easy what I did here. Okay, now we need to get the data for his notification, so simply $data get records is equal to notification models. So here we have not declared notification models, so first we need to declare the notification models and just scroll down for the notification part here, there, like here, and here you can make like get record users and here you can pass authentication ID, whatever user you are login. So this ID again we need to get the data. Okay, now we need to create a new function inside a notification model. Just you can use go to definition. Suppose you are using Sublime editor. Okay, you can see it app model, inside you can see it notification model. Simply you can copy for the get record function and paste here, and after you can change the function. Here we have passed like a user ID, so this user ID you need to declare here. I know I have login is the admin user ID, this reason admin can show, so don't worry about that. Okay, admin data also can show because is I login is the admin ID 1 and here 1, but suppose you are login as a customer, so impossible to show, so don't worry about that. But get record users. So here we have done function, we have passed like a dynamic user ID, ID is descending and pagination is a 14. So everything now done. Now here is a get record there. So this record we need to show front side. So just we have already created a new file notification.blade.php. So simply you can copy for the order file and you can paste here. Okay, so here is a pagination there, so we don't want to change anything. We don't need a t head, so just remove. We also don't need like all the tr, just you can remove. Okay, now we need to copy whatever we ever did in admin side. So just you can go to admin side and you can copy, so we can do it very quick. Admin Here you can see notification, here you can see list.blade.php. But one thing we have forget for here for the date, so we can sort out in this video also dates. So just copy paste and you can change here. You can see it here. Here is a get records, you are getting these records after we have created a new variable value, and here you can see it like color is blank, is red, font with bolts, otherwise we have put, and we also pass URL after we did like notif ID, and you can see it here. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page here, and after I click on the notification buttons, so we can check error there, not there. So you can see no any error, is working very well. But this is the notification work different way because of the tables. So just you can change here notifications. Okay, let's go back again, and we can make some padding look like good show. And here is a lots of space there, so we need to remove this space for this one. You can see it here. So first of all, we can make the padding 10 px automatic, all this space removed. Let's copy and we can put simply here. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see now look like goods. Okay, here is the order update status, so you can redirect here for this notification. So you can go to notification, so here's the redirection. So now we can do first date because we forget to add a date, so we need to sort out here date also. So we can use date div, inside I can make small because I need to show date here. So simply we have done inside admin side layout, and inside you can see date. So just you can layout inside header.blade.php, and here you can see date. So just copy paste because I don't want to write these reasons. Okay, and just put here, and after you can change the variable name noti to value. Let's go back again, refresh the page here. So you can see also date can see. You can click here, so going to his link. You can see click here, so it's going to his link. But here we have not done like a notification read unread code. So let's sort out for this page. So automatic update. So we know okay he's already read. So simply you can go to app http controller, inside user controller. Here is already there like a orders list. So here we need to write for this code. So just you can make request $request. Now you can go to admin side. Admin side we have done inside order controller. Just search this variable and here is there. Sorry, search this model and here is there. Just copy and you can put it here. Okay. So this is the also done. Let's go back again. Refresh the page here, and after you can go to notification. So you can't find the counts. You can see it here. You see all is null. Suppose I'm going to database, and I can put here 0 again for this one because this is the like is the admin also login, so work. Okay, here you can see it. Right, but this is the automatic redirect to admin. So is a redirect to admin, so is our side is good. Just click on the see all notification and we need to show here time because of we ever forget. So just copy whatever we did inside user side like a small, and you can put inside his side. So just go to notifications, and inside you can see list.blade.php and just put here, and here is already variable name changed, so we don't worry about that. Okay, so let's refresh the page and you can see the time. So it's good our side. Okay, because I forget last video this reasons. So I hope you have clear. So we have done, but we need to show also count in user side because without count how we can user understand here's a their notification, not their notification. So let's make here as a count like 1 2 3 4 whatever count notification 100 there. So we need to put inside a sidebar. So here, so simply you need to go back again like admin side layouts inside headers, and you can copy for these ones, and is the other thing you can close. Now we don't want to use any time, means is done code. Just you can paste here get unread notification sorry about that, and here you can put like a count. Simply you can pass here curly brackets, means, and inside you can pass like a count like a 0 1 2 3 whatever there. Now we need to create a new function count, and also we need to pass here authentication id, auth users id. Let's go to notification model, and inside we can create a new function. Just go notification models, and here is there for the unread get unread notification. So just copy for this one, and you can paste here, and after you can change like a user id and you can make dynamic user id, and here you can change to count. Okay, so it is also done, sidebar also count. Let's try is working, not working. So just go back again, refresh the page here. So 100% work right now, showing the 0. But suppose I can go back again and I can make here the these zeros, and this 0. So you can see it like 3 count you can find out. Just refresh the page, so you can see 3 counts. Okay, so just I refresh the page, I just go back again and I refresh the page, so you can see this count is 2 is gone because this is the read already. So you can see, so is the count also done. So I have all done for the notification. I will create for 3 video, one for the inserting, second is the admin side, third is like a user side, user notification, admin side notifications, and everything done. Next video we can do it. Here's another one, smtp configuration, because without smtp configuration how you can receive the email, because sometimes you don't know how we can change, so we need to do here smtp configuration, and after how we can do it dynamic. So next video I can explain. Okay, so don't worry about that, next video we can do, and after we can create another video for this, like here we need to change whatever here you are uploading. So this is the need to change, also this name we need to make dynamic, whatever there inside system setting. So you can see it here, this name we need to put every place dynamic. Here is the copyright we need to change. So everything I can do in next few videos, like a 2 or 3 video we can create, and we can sort out everything. And after this project done, and some place I have noticed like a success message not showing, so we can create like a general video, and we can recovery, and we can think, okay, we need to do here like this, we can do like this, so we can cover everything. Okay, so I hope you can enjoy for the notification part. And do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching error solutions.